Hey guys, we're back. It's iPhone day. So we're checking out the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the natural titanium colorway. Just want to do a quick unboxing and compare it to the stainless steel model against the titanium. So let's get right into it. 15 Pro Max. You got a titanium color. It's almost like goldish, silver, goldish. We'll see. We'll get into it. Feel the tabs. Here it is. Wow, and I can feel the weight on this. Look at that color. Let's scratch it up a bit. Nah, comes off, but yeah, that is beautiful. And that feels awesome. The curve is, it doesn't look much different than the 12s to 14s, but you can feel it right away. That's nice. And that titanium feels good, looks good. Let's get this off. Get that out of the way. Power it up. We got the action button, the volume up, volume down. We got the power. We got the 5G antenna. No SIM card tray here in the US. But I am digging this color. I'm glad I got this one. I was all over the place. I liked the black. I haven't had black or charcoal since the iPhone 12. I had the white last year, and I thought it looked really good this year, but I didn't want to go for that color 2 years in a row. And that blue looked awesome, but I had the 13 Pro in blue. So I wanted to try something different, and I'm glad I went in this direction. So let's put that down. Let's see what we got. Braided USB-C to USB-C. Let's get this out of here. There's all those rumors about it was going to be a color matched cable. We didn't get that this year. I'm not sure if they're ever going to sell those, or if those were not even Apple products that they got rumored. But it's, you know, probably a 3-foot cable. You know, same that it always comes with. But it's nice. The braided material feels just like the Apple Watch Ultra fast charger. So we got that that card that tells you that it's an eSIM, so you got to hook that up. We got a bunch of junk, and we got an Apple sticker. So pretty basic. Not even gonna deal with putting that back in. Let's get rid of this box. I went for the 256 as it started off that way. I always get the 256, so it didn't really seem like a price hike to me. Although the last couple years I've gotten the regular size iPhone Pro, and the Max to me has always just, you know, kind of been too big ever since I went down. I have big screens all over the place, iPad Pro, you know, my computer. So on my phone, I didn't really need a humongous screen, but I don't know, with the weight, you can tell a huge difference. See the colors? See how it's not as shiny? Where I keep this in my truck when I'm running CarPlay, kind of shines my eyes sometimes. So kind of looking forward to that not happening again. But here's the this white silver iPhone 14 compared to the natural titanium. What about the natural titanium with the watch? Got this Amazon off-brand titanium band that was like 35 bucks. You know, it's got some scratches, but it looks nice with the watch, I feel like. So that color is, you know, pretty much the same. So I like that that matchup between the two. There was rumors also about the watch coming out in black. That would have been nice to match that with the black phone, but we didn't get that. So maybe next year. But what do you guys think? Are you digging this color? The feel in the hand is excellent. I saw Apple Track's video this morning about the drop tests, and it doesn't seem like this is as durable as the 14. Ever since I showed you guys that Arc Pulse case, I kind of started going caseless for the last couple months, and I was planning on doing that with this too, but we'll see. Might have to slap a case on there, but we will be taking a look at some. So we do have a few Apple cases, the fine wovens and the silicone to check out, along with the fine woven wallet. We have a couple cases by Supcase, so we'll be checking those out. A few Spigens, we'll be checking those out, and then just a couple kind of off brands that I found on Amazon. So we will be coming at you with some case reviews like we always do, but that's it. 15 Pro Max is here, and I'm excited to get into it. So let me know what cases you guys want to see first. I'll try to get those videos up ASAP, so when you guys get your phones in, you know exactly what case you want to get. But for right now, it's been real.